Hello guys, welcome to another grammar video. Today we are solving the much, more and many exercise. First, much. Much is used with uncountable noun. It indicates a large amount or quantity of uncountable noun. More. More is used to compare two things. It indicates additional or extra amount of anything. Many is used for countable noun. In plural form, it refers to a large number of countable noun. Okay? So let's solve the exercise. Number 1. I don't have blank time. The key is time. We can count seconds, minutes, hours. But we don't count time individually. It's like flow or duration. For example, you can say, I have a lot of time. What you can't say, I have one time, two time. Okay? So what will the correct answer? Much. Because much is used for uncountable noun and time is uncountable. So the answer should be I don't have much time. Number 2. She has blank friends. Rumi, Jack, John. They are friends. John, Rumi and Jack, 3 people. So friends is a plural form of friend. So friends are countable. So for countable we use many. She has many friends. Next one. Rumi is blank patient than her sister. Patient means able to stay calm and not get angry. Okay? In this sentence, there are 2 persons, Rumi and her sister. Then implies a comparison between 2 people. There is a comparison between Rumi and her sister's nature, and for comparison we use more. So the correct answer is more. Rumi is more patient than her sister. Okay, clear? So next move number 4. How blank money do you want? The key is money. Money is uncountable because it represents a concept rather than individual countable items. While we can count specific currency like dollar, euro, but we can't count money individually. So the correct answer is much. How much money do you want? Number 5. How blank languages do you speak? I can speak English, Italian, and French. I can speak 3 languages. These are languages. And you can speak English, a single language. Languages, plural form of language. And plural form of languages are countable. And for countable things, we use many. So the answer should be how many languages do you speak? Number 6. I don't have much money. I need blank money. Money is uncountable. We already know that. Suppose you want to buy this car and you don't have a lot of money to get this car. And you need extra money to buy this car. So what is the answer? More. Because more is used to additional or extra amount of anything. And we need extra money. So the correct answer is I don't have much money. I need more money. Number 7. 2 blank sugar will not be good for your teeth. Can you count sugar? No, I can't count sugar. Suppose this is a pile of sugar. These are the sacks of sugar. We can count these items, but we don't count sugar individually. So sugar is uncountable, and for uncountable, much is used. So the correct answer is too much sugar will not be good for your teeth. And last one is blank people attended the concert. People, countable noun. Suppose this is a person and these are people. Person, singular, and people is a plural form of person. People, a countable noun, and many is used for countable noun which are in plural form. Hence the answer, many people attended the concert. Okay guys, that's it. Hope you found this topic very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.